Okay, we're back at the property this morning. Took today off, it's a Wednesday. Last Sunday we got this knee brace in here. Help kind of strengthen this post so it doesn't move. The new post we just put in. And today I'm going to be working on the resecuring these floor joists and hopefully adding a few more. I've come to the point where my staging, I've basically run out of staging. So I need to take this section here and move it probably 4 or 5 feet to the right so I can continue with the joists. Okay, now I've got to move this staging to the right because I ran out of room. And unfortunately, to move it, I have to unload or move all the floor joists that I put up there last week. Just probably one row down below. That way I can move that top section over there. Morning guys, this morning we're going to cut a variety of shims to put into the joists. I'm just going to cut everything from 1/8 of an inch to 1/2 an inch so we don't have to keep going up and down and you can just have a collection of shims. Okay, there we go. We've got everything from 1/8 of an inch, 3/16, 1/4, 5/16, all the way up to 7/16, which hopefully I don't need. But we did have a few joists that were fairly narrow, so. Okay, we've run out of staging again. So we need to move this again to the right, probably another 5 or 6 feet. All right, done. Got a little fog this morning. Can't see the mountains or anything beyond a couple 100 feet. Hopefully it burns off a little later. So on this side, we've shimmed each and every joist, probably 1/8 of an inch to 3/16 of an inch, so that the top of the floor joists are 9.5 inches from the beam. And on that side, we've shimmed each and every one so they're level with the beam. There, back in business. So I only have 3 more joists to go. I'm probably half a dozen short, so we're gonna get these up today. Maybe do some blocking up here, and then I'll figure out what we need to finish up the floor joists. So here's the set of tools that we have to carry up and down for every joist. Speed square, tape measure, an extra battery, wood glue, some hurricane hangers, hurricane ties, screws, and a couple of shims and a pencil. Almost forgot the most important tool, a level. Okay, I've got the last 2 up, way down at the end. So I just did some figuring, and I need, looks like 11 more 20-foot joists to double up the rim joists. There's 3 or 4 missing at the very end. Then I'll need some additional blocking. And that should be it, and then we should be done, finally.